We have indoor plant arrangements, custom indoor plant arrangements, and subscription plant arrangements. We have outdoor arrangements, custom arrangements, subscription arrangements, and holiday arrangements from November till January.
I work with the Chalet Signature team with on-site installations. We do all 4 seasons, with fall and winter also being kind of more holiday, more decorative.
I meet with the client and discuss where they would like to see color, seasonal emphasis, what areas out of their house they look at the most.
Some of my favorite reactions from customers are when they say, I wake up every morning and see this arrangement, and it's the great way to start the day.